there have been a number of different modifications of ketogenic diet developed, which typically allows more protein and not as close monitoring of calories, that can reduce side effects and also still provide efficacy. So some of those include the modified Atkins diet, which is similar to the Atkins diet. It allows more protein and carbohydrate. It's just less restrictive, so it's something that some individuals find they can follow if they don't want to or can't follow a classic ketogenic diet. There's also the low glycemic index diet. This is essentially a diet that was developed wherein individuals limit their consumption of food only to foods with a glycemic index less than 50. The glycemic index is an indicator of the effect of a food that you're eating on your blood glucose levels, and it's a direct kind of comparison to pure glucose. Another modification is the MCT ketogenic diet. So this is just a ketogenic diet that allows more protein, and perhaps depending on the way that you're formulating it, some more carbohydrate as well, but is specifically using a high percentage of medium chain triglycerides in their fat. So you can utilize medium chain triglycerides to induce ketosis more easily. And of course, exogenous ketone is a new way to induce ketosis, which is just elevating ketones without dietary restriction. And this is something that has become very heavily researched over the past decade. There's a lot of people interested in how and where might we be able to use exogenous ketones to derive some benefit. This is a good option for someone, can be a good option if someone's not interested in following a ketogenic diet or doesn't want to, or they can't. It's not for everyone, of course. Sometimes people might be interested in trying an exogenous ketone. And so this can be used to induce ketosis without dietary restriction.